Hi everyone, welcome to our video demonstration on Boyle's law, one of the fundamental gas laws that explain how gases behave. Let's dive into how this law works, who discovered it, and how we can see it in real life.
Dili na ako balay pero ako ba mo sa Boyle's law was discovered by Robert Boyle, an Anglo-Irish scientist born in 1627. With the help of his assistant Robert Hooke, he studied gases using an air pump. In 1662, he published all his findings in a book called The Spring and Weight of the Air. This marked one of the first scientific discoveries about gas behavior.
Kabalo ba mo unsa ni? Dahon ni. Pero di ka natatabigan. Dong.
Sa Boyle's law part?
So what does Boyle's law say? It tells us that the pressure and volume of a gas inversely proportional if the temperature is kept constant. This means that you increase pressure, the volume decreases. And if you reduce pressure, the volume increases. P is stand for pressure. V stands for volume. P1 initial pressure, V1 is the initial volume. P2 is the final pressure and V2 is the final volume. Mathematically, that's written as P1 V1 equals P2 V2.
Kinsa mo gusto yun?
Oh, wala rin.
Gusto niya.
Tabanog daw, sakay daw. Hoy, ikaw sakay na kayong larga daw.
Saman, nagtuo mo nga muli na may. Wa pa man. Boyle's law. Boyle's law helps explain how a syringe works, how lungs expand when we breathe, and why a balloon shrinks when squeezed. It's also important in scuba diving and using oxygen tanks in hospitals.
Samandong, sakay ka di. Larga na ta. Sakay daw.
Oh, tuunin mo magkuhan ko sa dili. Mag-Boyle's law experiment taron. So what we need for this experiment is a syringe and a balloon. But you can also use your hands.
Let's demonstrate Boyle's law in action with a simple syringe pressure test. First, pull the plunger to trap the air inside the syringe. Second, seal it with your tip of your fingers. Third, push the plunger slowly and observe as the air volume decreases and the pressure increases. Then, pull the plunger back again. See how the air expands, volume increases, pressure drops. You can repeat this a few times or even measure it with a ruler. This clearly shows that as the pressure increases, the volume decreases, and vice versa. That's how the Boyle's law is in action. Number 1. What happens to the air volume when you increase the pressure? The answer is, it decreases. The gas gets compressed. Question number 2. How does this activity show Boyle's law? The answer is, it shows that pressure and volume are inversely related, which is exactly what Boyle's law tells us, as long as temperature stays the same.
Thanks for watching our presentation on Boyle's law. We hope you learned how pressure and volume are connected and how to see this law at work in simple experiments and everyday life. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!